Hi, good morning. It's 7 a.m. I'm probably awake um, already for at least 2 hours. So we had a short night. It's day 6 of week 1 update. I was really extremely busy at work. Um, next week we have a migration of the large database, and it's not a simple one because the current system that the software is running on contains like 20 to 30 tables, and it needs to be migrated, and you have to populate like 80 tables. And so it's not just one-on-one migration, it's actually data transformation, and you are basically doing provisioning from the old set of data. So I don't expect anything good coming out of that. The script for migration was also written prior to AI era. It's not that new. So yeah, finger crossed that everything will go smoothly as planned. As for my own business, I haven't done anything. Nothing, almost nothing at all. Um, yeah, I simply haven't had time. And I'm thinking like, oh my god, um, when I'll have a time to do something about it, I'll be, I don't know, 40, and my brain cells, most of my brain cells will probably mostly be dead. So I have to find, I don't know, strength to push and to deliver something. Um, yeah, it's extremely, it's really hard. It's not extremely, but it's hard to do it proper old-fashioned way. You have to allocate really a lot of time to pick up on technology that you will be using, and you have to dig throughout the problems. But I really want to do it like that, the old way. Um, so the plan, as far for, let me just, as I promised also to check my like um, health status and transformation as well. Well, yesterday we had a guy from a coworker actually quit, so we had really greasy farewell lunch. So nothing yet from my healthier habits, but tomorrow is the day. Uh, as for working out, I really need to get a lot of sleep. So my Garmin watch is suggesting me to do 9-hour sleep to recover. Yeah, I don't know where to squeeze 9 hours sleep. um, Apart from that, hibernate learning, uh, as I'm really unsatisfied with the with with content I provided, and the headlines on the YouTube videos are not really bringing traffic. I see that there are impressions, but people do not actually click on it, so it's not catching up. Maybe um, You know, I started something, and I should probably stick with it, but I'll switch a bit. I think I'll switch a bit. I'll have the uh, Java guidelines and best practices first, and I'll do videos on subject to subject basis. So, for example, hey, my son is crying again. For example, string or integer pool in Java, or design pattern or issue. I'll try to find engaging titles, so maybe to check audience first, and after that solid Java foundation, we'll we'll switch to the Hibernate topics and Spring. I do have few books in mind. I own physical copies that I would like to go through. One is Head First Java. This is like a starting point for Java developers. The other is Core Java. Core Java has more interesting topics and is condensed and written in a way that will actually help you while programming. Maybe I'll do a session per chapter. So the idea is to read it in advance, create some sample, and then talk about it and provide you my insight, so you actually get a value out of it. I also saw a video from, I followed this guy. It's called Marco Programming, and how he documented his journey, and his videos are really awesome, and take a look at it if you have time. But they're more cinematic in nature than just what he's doing. You're actually getting a glimpse of his life, not value, just just like your imagination. That's mostly it. So for today, the plan is to start to record maybe a video on Java topic, and let's see if this will produce more viewers to the channel. More. I don't have a single. My wife stopped watching videos. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this YouTube story and my business story. So it's all in some kind of procrastination mode. Hope to continue this today. Thank you for tuning in. If you're my first watcher, leave a comment. I'll definitely reply. And have a awesome and amazing day. See ya. Bye bye.